What's up, internet? This is a real quick video. I'm going to be releasing a whole video when I'm converting the Cutlass back there over to EFI. I'm using a Phytech EFI system. Put everything in together, got everything plumbed up and wired. Super excited to start it up, turn it on. Everything's registering on the handheld. Everything's doing whatever. Start cranking. Figure it's going to take a minute. Never starts. Kept trying, nothing happened. I rechecked all my wiring. Finally, I cracked the line up at the throttle body. I'm getting no fuel. So then I cracked the line closer to the fuel filter, thinking, okay, maybe it needs to prime. It's not. I can hear the fuel pump running. So finally, I break down, I drop the tank, which isn't really that bad on these GM A-body cars because it sits at the back. It just has the two straps. It just sucked because I'd put like 7 gallons of fuel in it. So dropped the tank, and when I was dropping the tank and look at everything, this is what I found. Let me see if I can get this to switch around. Okay, well, it's not switching around, but that's the fuel pump. And if you notice, it's missing something right here. Apparently, when I set the pump depth, I made it too tall, so the bottom of this crammed into the bottom of the fuel tank, and I guess it cracked off the pump. It's still in the hat right here with the line and everything. You can see the nipple is in there. So, had to order a new one of those, which sucks, because that means I gotta wait to get this running. Ordered a new one from Tanks. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So hopefully I can get that video going. I gotta wait for the new part to come in. Quick review as far as the Phytech system. It's really simple. If you do their frame mounted kit, it would probably be a lot easier. I wanted to do the in-tank just because my tank was old. There was stuff that was in it that was kind of questionable, and I just didn't want the pump to get starved for fuel because I know that's really bad for an electric fuel pump. So I spent the extra money, got the Sniper, which is basically a Tanks Inc. tank that's set up for fuel injection. It's baffled and everything. And that's kind of where my slowdown happened at. So, so far, the installation of the system's good. The only hang up I had besides all the stuff for the new tank was the power wire for the fuel pump. It's pretty much set up for frame mounted pumps. If you had, I had to extend the wire probably another 4 feet almost, because it came pretty much to, if you're looking at the car here, the main power wire came to about here, right at the back of this door on the frame. So I had to extend it and go all the way back from the frame to the back of the car. You probably have to do that at most. It's a universal kit. I would say they probably should have an extra wire instead of too short a wire. That way you're not having to splice into a main power feed for your fuel pump, but that's just my personal opinion. So ordered the parts. Hopefully I can get a new update soon. Have a good one.